Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to customize Opera GX browser. Here's a step-by-step guide to customize Opera GX on Windows. First, launch the browser by double-clicking its desktop shortcut or from the Start menu. Access Settings. Click the Opera menu, the red O in the top left corner, then choose Settings, or you can press Alt plus P. Enable GX Corner. In Settings, find Sidebar and turn on GX Corner to get gaming news, deals, and customization updates. Choose a theme. Go to Themes. Select between dark or light themes. Customize colors. Go to Themes again. Pick a preset color or create your own custom color scheme. Set wallpapers. Under Wallpapers, click Custom and pick a default wallpaper or click Add your wallpaper to upload your own image. Adjust GX Lights Razer Chroma integration. If you have Razer gear, enable GX Lights for synced lighting effects. Change sidebar layout. Right-click the Twitch, then click Hide Twitch to hide the shortcuts, or you can hide a custom apps. Tweak GX Control. Click the GX Control icon on the sidebar. Limit CPU, RAM, and network usage for smoother multitasking. Install extensions. Go to Extensions by hitting Ctrl plus Shift plus E on your keyboard. Then add from the Opera, Add-on Store, or Chrome Web Store by toggling on for extra tools and themes. Save your setup. Once customized, Opera GX will remember your settings every time you launched it. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.